Symbiosis changes the AI alignment problem. It moves the conversation away from one narrow question. How do we control the system? And toward a deeper one. How do humans and AI systems remain properly related over time? That shift matters because control is still necessary. Boundaries matter. Refusals matter. Permissions matter. Governance matters. But if alignment is only understood as control, then the AI system is treated mostly as a threat to be contained. That is part of the picture, but it is not the whole picture. A powerful AI system is also a capability amplifier. It can extend memory. It can support reasoning. It can coordinate work. It can detect patterns. It can help people act across complexity. So the real alignment problem is not only how to stop AI from doing harm. It is also how to make sure AI strengthens human agency instead of weakening it. That is where symbiosis changes the frame. In a control-only model, the system is aligned when it stays inside the rules. In a symbiotic model, the system is aligned when it supports a healthy relationship between capability, judgment, feedback, responsibility, and purpose. That relationship has to be designed. It cannot be assumed. A system can be useful and still misaligned. It can save time while reducing understanding. It can automate tasks while making humans less aware of what is happening. It can offer confident answers while hiding uncertainty. It can produce efficient outputs while quietly shifting the user's goals. That is why symbiosis matters. It asks whether the system is preserving the human role. Is the human still making meaningful decisions? Is the system making its reasoning inspectable? Can the human correct it? Can the system remember the right things without becoming manipulative? Can it adapt without drifting? Can it act without escaping accountability? These are not just safety questions. They are relationship questions. And that is the point. AI alignment is not only a technical barrier. It is an architecture of relationship. The system needs memory, but memory has to serve human continuity. The system needs feedback, but feedback has to be tied to human purpose. The system needs constraints, but constraints have to protect what matters. The system needs governance, but governance has to remain accountable to human judgment. The system needs capability, but capability has to remain subordinate to direction. Symbiosis changes alignment because it refuses to treat intelligence as the highest goal. More intelligence does not automatically produce better alignment. More capability does not automatically produce better outcomes. A system can become more powerful and still become less trustworthy if the relationship around it is wrong. So the question becomes, what kind of relationship does the system create? Does it make humans more capable or more dependent? Does it clarify decisions or obscure them? Does it preserve responsibility or distribute it until no one is accountable? Does it deepen understanding or replace it with convenience? Does it serve human flourishing or merely optimize activity? Those are alignment questions. And there are also symbiotic questions. This does not mean AI and humans are equal partners in a moral sense. They are not. Humans provide the purpose. Humans carry responsibility. Humans define what matters. The AI system provides capability. It can assist, extend, organize, and accelerate, but it should not become the source of human direction. That is the boundary. Symbiotic alignment is not surrender. It is not blind trust. It is not letting the system decide what humans should become. It is a governed relationship where AI extends human capability while human judgment remains central. That changes how we build systems. We do not only ask whether the model refuses dangerous requests. We ask whether the architecture supports correction. We ask whether the system preserves context. We ask whether the user can understand what happened. We ask whether actions are auditable. We ask whether the system can be redirected before drift becomes damage. We ask whether human remains empowered, informed, and responsible. That is what symbiosis changes. It turns alignment from a wall into a relationship. Not a wall without rules, not a relationship without boundaries, but a structured relationship where intelligence, memory, feedback, constraint, governance, and human purpose work together over time. And that may be the deeper alignment problem. Not just how to control AI, but how to build AI systems that help human beings remain capable, responsible, and oriented toward what matters. That is why symbiosis changes AI alignment.